Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the new Anker, and it's the PowerCore 3 19,000 milliamp 60 watt battery with the PowerPort 3 65 watt pod. So that's this right here, the 65 watt pod. There's the flip out prongs right there. There's your one USB-C port with IQ charging technology. This is a charging case that comes with the kit, and then here's the battery itself. You have two USB-A ports, and then you have this USB-C port that offers 60 watts of charging. There's your on button right there. It shows you charge level, so we have half charge level, and then you press it one more time to turn it off. So it's a simple 19,000 milliamp battery with 3 ports, but it's Anker technology, so you know it's solid and it will last you years, and they give you a nice travel case. Again, this is the PowerCore 3 battery, 19,000 milliamps, 60 watt, and the PowerPort 3 65 watt pod. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.